Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I have a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging Jazz Hybrid EX. Now this car does come with LED daytime running lights as standard at the front. It also has LED fog lights and front parking sensors, which all comes as standard. We've also got these 15-inch alloy wheels, 16-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern that you do get on these cars. Moving around to the rear now, we have got 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got your reversing camera just up at the top there. In the boot of the car now, we've got plenty of room as well. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, we do have contrasting leather, which is the cloth grey with the white leather on the external parts and the centre bit. You do have Aspheric mounting points as well. And we've also got your keyless entry and keyless start. Jumping inside the car, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your ECON just there and your eCVT gearbox. We've then got your climate control in the front, which does have heated seats in the front, as you can see as well. We've also got a nice bit of extra storage as well. We've got a nice 10-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. Comes with all of your audio sources just in the top right here, so you can see you've got FM, AM, Bluetooth audio, DAB, USB, and your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've then got your Bluetooth hands-free as well, which I'm not able to show you as it does require me to have a phone connected. Showing you the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls on the outside. Your voice control is just there. Track select is here, and we've got your return and home with the bezel in the middle. These control your onboard computer up top. We've then got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've also got your heated steering wheel just below as well. As standard, these cars do come with automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has only done 6,357 miles. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.